Dirty secret the investment industry doesn't want you to know. For decades, the investment industry has been fooling you with one thing disguised as many: stocks, bonds, CDs, and high-yielding savings accounts. The delivery changes, but the illusion remains the same. While they market opportunities, they still only profit off your aspirations that keep you investing more and more every single year despite any losses. Your brain's reward system is being hijacked, creating a false sense of security and optimism that gets stronger with every dollar invested. And this industry is counting on your dependence to fuel its multi-trillion-dollar market. They're hoping you never discover the tools that they've been using for decades and have never been offered to the general public. There's a better way to diversify your portfolio. What they don't tell you is that you need something that can compound and something that has market neutrality. What you're really after is the thought of financial freedom and security that you feel temporarily after your financial advisor keeps selling you on new investment opportunities. Keyword temporarily, because these investments can sometimes look and feel so promising right before they crash, creating the perfect addiction cycle that keeps you trying again and again. What if you can get all of the benefits without all the hassle? The greatest funds like the Medallion Fund, who was owned by Jim Simons with a net worth of $31 billion, used algorithmic trading softwares which allowed him to achieve 66% gross annual returns. There's just one problem. How can you get a software like that without having to invest into a fund? That's why we created Nurp, which is owned by a fund manager who uses these exact tools inside of his investing strategy. Nurp's quantitative trading software takes thousands of trades inside of your very own brokerage account. This software covers two core things that the greatest investors look for, which is the compounding potential, often spoken on by Warren Buffett, and the market neutrality, which David Enhorn, owner of Greenlight Capital, focuses on. Market neutrality aims to reduce risk by allowing you to perform during market turndowns and market rallies, by taking position to the upside and the downside simultaneously. Here's what some of the Nurp users had to say.
I have an account right now that I have a couple $100,000 in, and it's generating over 10% this month.
On a $50,000 investment over the past few months, I've profited about $7,000.
The biggest thing that stood out to me is Nurp stood by their numbers.
You know, I have several accounts with y'all now and doing well with it.
From what I see right now, I'm really impressed with this company.
It's becoming a money printer for me. It's a no-brainer, man. It just does everything so well. It just manages everything. You have to do absolutely nothing.
Seems to work very well at protecting your assets.
Over 3,000 investors have already implemented these softwares. The question is, how much longer will you wait to experience this yourself? Hit the link to get exclusive access.